Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, another face of the week, and I want to feature Makeup Forever, but mostly Makeup Forever. The only two things not Makeup Forever is going to be powder and the lip. And I basically want to use the blush and highlighter palette again, using the pink shades as I had promised. So I'm going to start out with this palette, and I'm gonna put some concealer on. So I'm wearing the Milk Primer and a little bit of my Juvia's Place, but the Juvia's Place today is only on the high points of my face. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here and just put a little bit like right here under my eye. I didn't sleep much last night because my son didn't sleep much last night, so my under eyes are barking, but I'm like, I refuse to wear I refuse to wear corrector because I feel like I don't need corrector anymore. And then I'm going to take the foundation stick. Yes, I'm using everything in Y505. And I'm going to go here, 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 this area right here. And then I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I know, I like put it right there. And if you own this palette, you know these creams are beautiful. There are some, they're just beautiful creams. I would say they make the best creams. And I'm gonna put some right there. Brush. And I'm just gonna push it into my skin and not drag. I'm gonna do my under eye last. See how beautiful the creams blend out? Oh my god, they're so good. And this foundation stick is my favorite foundation stick. I like it more than my Tom Ford foundation stick. Running a very, very close second is the Fenty Eavesdrop stick. But overall, this is my favorite foundation stick. Then I'm gonna go in with this palette, the deeper palette, and I'm gonna use the dark contour shade. This is like a cross between, it's like a neutral. It's not too warm and it's not too cool. This is like a neutral shade, but it does the job. And I've been using the orange shade a lot because I was trying to save the pinks for this video. And I'm looking forward to putting it on my face. Whoops. Girl. I felt like going long again. Oh my god. I love them, but they're long and it's an adjustment. But I said, you know what? I don't know. I just admire nails. Like when I see girls with like, if I see somebody doing a live or like on TikTok and they have like nails, I'm always like, I mean, I'm looking at the makeup, but I'm looking at the nails. Oh, these creams are beautiful. Like if you don't own any of these palettes, the blush palette, the face palettes, pick it up in the sale. It's worth it. All right, let's go in with the cream blushes. So I'm gonna use the Classic Cheek Brush from Sonia G and from her Sky collection, and this is meant for creams. So because I used it with the orange blush and I liked how it looked. Because you know I like to use my sponge, but I think the sponge shears it out a little. So I want the full impact of it. So I'm going to start off with the deeper shade, the wine color shade. And then I'm going to go over with the light pink shade. I think this, I get a nice, see that? I love using this brush because this brush I don't use a lot. It just sits there and I was like, you know what? This is meant for creams. Let me use it. See how beautiful and how easy these blushes are to apply? It's super nice. And if you looked at my review of this palette, you knew at first I had so many concerns. I don't anymore. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this pink right here. Over top of that, but like mostly in the center, like that. For that nice pop. See how nice that looks? Do you guys think the application is better with the brush compared to with the sponge? I think so. See, I feel like I get more. Super pretty. And with these blushes, like I had said, you don't even need the, I feel like you don't need the highlighter side because they're so like dewy and it looks like you're wearing highlighter already. But I'm gonna put some, I'm just gonna put a little bit of, I'll mix these two right here. Put a little bit like right in here. Not much, and right in here. Some of my nose. See how pretty that is? All right, I'm gonna set my under eye. I don't wanna do like loose powder today. I don't want anything like falling on the blush. So I'm just gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder, pressed powder, in shade 2. And, you know, just keeping it simple and keeping it directly under my eye. Like I said, this is this and powder. I do have a Makeup Forever powder, but it's so dark, and I never returned it. It's just dark and red. I should have returned it and get something better, because I hear a lot of people talking about how beautiful that powder is. And I also saw people talking about the Kosas powder being a dupe for this. Does anybody agree? Do you guys own it? Because I've been hearing that a lot. Oh, the Kosas Cloud Set Pressed Powder is a dupe. I remember having, I don't know if these are new powders from Kosas, but I remember having one of the Cloud Set powders and I wasn't really a fan. So I don't know if it's reformulated or if it's new. But this powder just snatches. And then of course, I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario powder. I wish I can like move my mirror over, but I can't. It's gonna block. I love this blush. It's gonna block my view. All right, so medium dark honey. Yes, I'm still enjoying it. This is the only powder I've been using since I got it. I love it so much for my dry skin. And we're having beautiful weather today. It's gonna be in the 60s. I actually have to wear a sweater today. I wore a hoodie actually this morning to take my son to school, so we're getting there, we're getting there. And I am here for it. Like when summer comes around, you're all excited, and after a while you're like, okay, enough with this heat. And I am there. I am ready for it to be donezo. All right, I did my eyeliner off camera. So we're going to go in with bronzer, and of course, Makeup Forever. I'm going to use one of my favorite bronzer at the moment. The bronzer in Sweet Expresso. Look at me struggling with my nails, but I want to be cute. And I'm just going to keep it right here. Do you see that shine? This would have been really cute in the summer too. Because that shine it gives. I know you guys probably got yours by now. And for the people who got the discount, good for you. You weren't like me, rushing to buy it from Sephora. And I saw this whole weekend, this past weekend, because Makeup Forever is now on the TikTok shop. They were doing a promotion there as well, about the 25% off. They had their representatives on there with all the palettes, all the face palettes, the old ones, this new blush palette. I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I did not get the 25% off. I love this bronzer so much. I think it's so nice. I love the undertone of it. It's so pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and set, then I'll come back with the lip. Look at my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It's almost finished. Where's my little, oh. Almost finished. The hole was completely to the side. All right, now for lips. I could have easily used that new Makeup Forever liquid lipstick that I bought. What is it? Can't Stop Expresso or something like that. But I got this new Color Fix matte from Vanessa Myricks, and I want to use it. Me doing something very bold today. So this is in the shade Vamp. And I put a little bit of the, because I'm trying to keep it to mostly Makeup Forever lip liner, a little bit around my lips just to define them in Limitless Brown. So I'm going to go in with Vamp. It's my first time putting it on my lips. Whew, let's hope I don't regret it. So I'm going to use the lip brush from the Makeup by Mario pencil. Because I still don't have a proper lip brush. Well, this is a lip liner brush, I guess, but yeah, same thing. All right, let's go in with Vamp. Oh, wow. Because I saw this and I was like, ooh, oh yes, that's Vamp. Oh, Vampinella. Girl, Vamp is the right word. I haven't worn a lip like this because I had a lipstick from Tom Ford that was similar to this shade, like this deep wineish sort of color. I'm feeling very vampy. I don't know what I was expecting because I swatched it in store, but girl, you can imagine me going to pick up my son today and be like, is she going to the club? This is a Tuesday afternoon, mind you. I'm filming on a Tuesday. No, what am I saying? Today's Monday. Oh, look at this. I like it though. I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't picked this palette up, I don't know if the sale is still going on. Maybe you can get it in the Sephora sale. I think it's worth it. It's really good because look at my cheek. And I love this pink color. It's beautiful. All right, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.